is the life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need.
Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new day on the spring crafting series. So today I have for you this cute little mini album, which is like a binder style album, and I love how this turned out. I think this is such a cute little take on a mini album. And to make this book, all I use is some heavyweight cardstock, but it is designer cardstock. So I am using the Teresa Collins, I don't remember the name of the collection, but I just like the weight of her papers. Her papers are pretty heavyweight. I want to say they're maybe 110 or maybe they're probably 80-pound cardstock, but they just feel really sturdy, as you can see. And so I wanted to create this beautiful binder style mini album. I just like the way how it looks, and I think it will be really cute to just kind of keep a document of the year, and super simple to just put pictures, almost like a little project life, like a one picture a day or one picture a week. I think will be really fun to create kind of like a little volume of these little binder books, and you can label them per year, per month. I mean, I'm so excited about this cute little project. And also I love that this paper collection had a lot of beautiful quotes, like making each day really count, making each day important. And I think that was so inspirational for me, especially at the beginning of the year, kind of struggling getting into the new year, but also feeling very hopeful and wanting to start the year in a positive way, but also kind of still having some lingering things coming from last year. But anyway, without getting too emotional, I do want to remind you that this series is a giveaway, so make sure that you are leaving a comment, make sure that you are subscribed, and leave a like to be part of the giveaway. And now let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this book here measures 7.5 by 5, and the way that this was built, each one of the pages has a different width, like a different gusset, and then we just kind of just layer all the pages on top of each other. So again, all the exact measurements and step-by-steps will be on the magazine, but I just love how these turned out, and I'll probably be making another one. If I do, I'll make a tutorial for this. And so I went ahead and rounded the corners. I'm in love with this little project. It's so cute. Now the pages on the inside are very simple, so this is just like the inside covers. And for this type of little book, I do recommend using a double-sided type of cardstock. And as you can see, this is very neutral because I just wanted to be able to document everyday life moments and not have a particular theme to every day. So I think this collection was perfect for that. I did do some like pre-layering here on how you would put a picture, and then maybe you can add a little white cardstock and do some documenting, or you can document on the full page. But yeah, I'm excited for this project to fill it up with memories. So as you can see, I started here with a little example on how I wanted to fill this book. And the thing, for at least for me, for this particular book, is to be documenting everyday moments that really make my life feel beautiful. And so for example, this moment here, a relaxing afternoon with like the kitty on me, I mean, that was just a moment. So I needed to document that. So that, and then here's the center. So as you can see, I added some brads. So even though the pages are glued together, I added some brads for reinforcement, but also mainly because I really like the look of the brads on this side of the little binder. So all the pages are basically the same. You can of course add flaps and flips and turns, and maybe as I add pictures, if I need more space, I'll probably be doing that. But I just love the simplicity of the pages and how this really does feel like a little binder. And so yeah, so looking forward to do some embellishment on these pages. And so yeah, so that is the project that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoy this quick walkthrough, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new project. Bye bye.
So